Morning traders, thought I'd just do a quick video update for the US dollar Japanese yen. I know, apologies for that if you heard that. It is very early here. You can probably hear the birds and the cockerels outside. All the windows are open. My apologies. Anyway, where were we? So we were looking at this level here for the US dollar Japanese yen. Initially based on this manipulation. However, we were expecting some news and the market just kind of went sideways. And then we got another kind of swipe at the highs and a pop before it came back down. So it's just a good example of aggressive versus conservative, I guess. Now, depending on your stop, you may have been very lucky to stay in this one. 90% of people would have got taken out. So what I would recommend is, if you are doing 10 points, to front run your order. So have a look to see what the spread is, or add a couple of pips to your 10 points, and you probably would survive. The other thing is, quite a lot recently this has been happening where the market has had these double takes on levels. So the other thing you can do is just kind of widen your stop to kind of 15 or 20, or go to an ATR based stop. That's another option. I mean, if you were entering conservatively, not really a problem. As I said, we went sideways. We got this another swipe, put in a new high. Still didn't break back down below the level, but there is a little entry here, which is a little 2 candle entry. Not the best because there's a little bit of buying, but still 2 lower low, lower close candles on a 15-minute chart. And if you look on a 16-minute chart, that would also be a lower low, lower close candle back inside the level. So yes, we were looking at it on a 15-minute chart, but that's just to kind of sketch a better entry. Doesn't always work in your favor, but there's a lower low, lower close candle on a 60-minute chart back inside the level. And if you wanted to wait, let's just pop back to the 15. If you wanted to wait, there was a manipulation of this level here. Sorry, not manipulation. Well, it's too early. There was a retest of this little level here, so you could have kind of waited for it to push back down, even come back up, retest, almost an identical entry if you'd have taken an entry in here. And then, as you can see, we're just selling off quite well now during the Asian session. Let's see where we go from here. Might look to take a little bit off at the bottom and then let the rest run, but that's entirely up to you guys. Anyway, traders, I hope you found this useful.